Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a text grab animation. Open Canva and go to mobile video and choose a blank canvas. Go to uploads and upload your image. Resize and reposition your image. And now give your canvas some color. Duplicate your frame. After you've duplicated your frame, highlight your image and go to Effects. In the Magic Studio panel, go to Grab Text and select all text and then tap on Grab. Wait until it extracts the text from your image and then select the text that you want to grab. Remove the text from the product and then increase the size of your text. Go back to the first frame and duplicate the first frame. Select the third frame and put it between the first and the second frame. Now we are going to change the duration of all our frames. Set your duration to 0.9 and toggle on this button to apply the durations to all the frames. You can even duplicate your frames to increase the duration of your animation. This is our final project. If you found value in today's video, comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button. Until the next video, peace.